We're at the 2024 Hershey RV Show. Today is
Industry Day.
Today we're just going to go around and explore some rigs, and our friends over there, Jason and Jen, they're actually shopping for a new rig today, so it's kind of fun and exciting.
Yeah, fun shopping with a purpose.
Yeah, it's not very often you get to come here and shop if you already have a rig, I guess. But
right. Can't wait to see all the rigs.
Yeah, we're going to take you guys on some tours today and see if we can find Jason and Jen something really cool.
And have this experience. Walking around and window shopping with our friends and comparing all the diesel Class A's we could find was so much fun. We saw a lot of really beautiful rigs before our feet gave out on us. This model ended up being our favorite by the end of Industry Day, and we wanted to share it with you.
It's a little dark back here. So this is an amazing looking rig. And a lot of our price range. Maybe a lot out of our price range. But man, is this thing gorgeous. I'd say this is going to be our favorite one from the show. Or mine anyway. What do you think, Con?
It's very nice. I like how the table runs this way. I love how the sink is separate, completely over here, and the pantry is amazing.
Slide out. It's a nice big fridge. Yeah, it just feels really roomy.
All storage underneath there.
Really homey in here. It definitely feels high end, that is for sure. It's gorgeous.
Very deep. Really nice cockpit.
Get a shot of this half bath. I do like the dark cabinets. I didn't think I'd like all these dark cabinets, but it looks really nice in here with the white. Opposing couches, televator. Cabinet space all around. They do not have an MSRP in here, but I'm guessing it's going to be close to $1 million.